On this recording, I will guide you into manifesting anything you can imagine. You should do this session when you're alone in a quiet room, not driving or doing anything else, just focusing on my voice. To begin, I'd like you to choose an intention. What do you want? What would you like to manifest? For now, choose just one thing. You can do this manifestation process as much as you like, but every time you do it, choose just one thing to focus on. Choose your intention right now. Do you have it? Okay, then let's begin. Please make yourself as comfortable as possible, and in the next few moments we're going to center our mind and body and focus our energy on manifesting our innermost desires. Take a deep breath and begin to relax. Just allow your body to relax. Your mind and body are letting go. Any outside sounds that you hear during this session will help to keep you in the present moment. All that we want to do and achieve is going to be created in this present moment, not in the past, not in the future. For the next few moments, let go of the world around you as you know it right now. And when you come back, the world around you will have changed for the better. Just continue breathing deeply and slowly. At this moment, right now, imagine a stream of radiant light coming down into the top of your head and opening up that energy center in your mind. Glowing brighter, more radiant, filling your mind with positive energy. You can see, feel, and sense this bright light of positive energy traveling down your spine, opening all the energy centers inside your spine. Just see it, feel it, and sense it. And now enlarge it. Increase the flow of positive energy. Now imagine that this bright light of positive energy is shining forth from the center of your chest, which is your heart center. Just expand it out. Radiate and send this energy into everything and everyone. Remember, any outside sounds that you hear during this session are there simply to remind you to stay in the moment. You're bringing forth your full potential in this moment, becoming all that you can and want to be. You know that your power comes from believing. By believing it so, you create it so. Realize that now in this moment, not in the future, but now. And whatever you want comes easily and is brought to you in the fastest and most loving way. It's being created with the positive energy that you're sending out in this moment. It's here now. This is happening now. The positive energy that you send out will come back to you in the best and most loving ways. For whatever we send out, we create in our experience. Understand and believe that the people, circumstances, and condition in the world around you have already changed this very moment. Just believe that it's happening now. There's no need to look for evidence. We know it has already happened in the present and in the future simultaneously. You're expanding to your fullest potential right now in this moment. Sending out positive energy into the world, to all space and time, bringing back in the best possible way all that you create, all that you need, and all that you want to experience in this life. It has already been created. Just let it go and let it be. Breathe deeply and continue to relax, realizing that every thought that you think has its own energetic vibrational frequency. Everything is created through energetic vibration. You're now sending out the energetic vibration of your intention because you're clear on what you want. Nothing is more important than focusing on what you want. When you focus on what you want, you're taking the path of least resistance. You must know, believe, and understand that you're creating what you call your future in this moment. See it as already here. It's already formed around you. See it in this moment. Feel it. Sense it. Visualize it in this moment. Not in the past, not in the future. In this moment, right now. You realize that the law of attraction has been activated. At this moment, it's magnetizing your desire and bringing it forth to you. Just trust it. The law of attraction operates with mathematical exactitude. There's no variation. The law works perfectly every time. Whatever you're sending out will find its vibrational match and will be attracted to you right now. You do not need to wait for it. It's already here. Have it happening right now. I cannot stress enough how important this is. Right at this moment, it is already so. You don't need to look for it. You don't have to hope or wish that something is going to happen. It's already here. You just have to feel it, sense it, and know it. Once again, any outside sounds that you hear help you to stay in this very moment. For the next few moments, just enjoy the absolute realization of your intention. Yes, go ahead. Enjoy that right now. That feels wonderful, doesn't it? Isn't it great to know that you can have what you want? Now what I'd like you to do is to release your intention. Let it go right from your mind. Just release it. That's right. Perfect. Now allow yourself some freedom and open your mind to the possibility of receiving some message from your higher self. Just allow an open space for your higher self to bring you a message right now. And whatever it is, accept it. Every thought, every action, every idea that holds inspiration is directed and guided by your higher self, that larger part of you that's one with the universe. You are that larger part of you. You cannot be separated from it. As your higher self guides you toward your desire, ask this question: what is the next thing I need to do, or what action do I need to take that will help me to bring forth my desire? I'll repeat that. What is the next thing I need to do, or what action do I need to take that'll help me to bring forth my desire? As you go through the day, continue to ask this question: what is the next thing that I need to do, or what action do I need to take that will help me to bring forth my desire? Whether you receive the answer immediately or at another time, you must follow it no matter what. Trust and know that you're being guided. This guidance will come to you in many ways, but you must follow it and take action. Even the smallest step can be the turning point. Let the universe that links everything together take care of the process or the details. When you focus on the end result, you'll be guided to the specific people, circumstances, or conditions in how to go about bringing forth your desire. The universe knows the essence of what you're reaching for and is yielding to you what you really want in this moment. Also allow yourself to be open to the possibility that you're being guided towards something even better. If this happens, just follow your intuition. You're not limited in any way. Realize there's no shortage of anything that you desire. If you miss one opportunity, another will open up, and then another, and then another. Your stream of opportunity never runs out. You must know that the universe, operating through the law of attraction, brings forth everything that you desire, and that nothing is being withheld from you. All things are given in the moment that you ask and accept. Your desire is already created because you are now in a clear, unrestrained, non-resistant state of mind, allowing what you desire to be attracted into your life. This means no more struggle and strain, no more discouragement, doubt, and worry and defeat, but a sure and happy process of creating the life that you desire. Now take a moment and imagine that you already have your intention or your desire. It's not in the future, it's here now. Imagine how you would feel if you absolutely knew that you already have what you want. Create that feeling right now. The positive vibrational energy that you sent out has already created it. So get excited about it. Be excited about it. And now open your eyes and look around. Look around your room, hear the sounds, feel the temperature. Stay in this very moment, still radiating out that positive energy and knowing that you have manifested your desire. And now listen to these words and repeat them often. That which I seek is seeking me. I let go of how it will come to me, and I focus on my heart's desire. My higher self within me knows how to make it happen. So I just relax and let go. Everything that's necessary for the fulfillment of my desires is lovingly and harmoniously drawn to me. I accept this or something better. I am ready, receptive, and grateful, and so it is.